Welcome. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to create a very simple intro video using the handwriting tool on KineMaster. So let's get started. You click on the ratio which will take you to a new project. So for this tutorial video, we are going to use 16:9. Once you click on it, it takes you directly to your media to pick a background. Let us wait for it. It's still loading. Okay, so I would love to use a black background. Once you've imported your background, click on layer and then you click on handwriting. Once you click on handwriting, if it doesn't bring out, if this first icon here doesn't bring out a square shape for you, you just click on it and change it to a square shape. Mine is already in a square shape. If it's giving you a pencil or a brush or a circle, make sure you change it to a square shape and make sure you change your color to green. I have a reason for saying that. Okay, I want to teach us how to create a very special effect on your intro video. So make sure your color is green, and this last one over here, if the circle is very big, just make sure you make it small like this. Then the next thing we are going to do is to use your hand to draw a rectangle shape on your screen. Okay, so let me bring it to the middle and then make it big. Yes, move a little. I think it's okay here. Move a little, then you click on layer again, you click on your handwriting, and then you draw another rectangle. Draw another rectangle. Yes. Move a little, and then click on layer, click on the handwriting tool, and then draw another rectangle. So I have to delete this because I made a mistake. So just click on your layer, click on your handwriting, and then draw another rectangle. Yes. So I would love to increase the size of this as well. After I've done this, what I'm going to do now is to give this an in animation. Let me give this an in animation. The in animation you are going to give to this is draw by stroke. Go back, give the second one an in animation, draw by stroke. The third one an in animation, draw by stroke. Then to the out animation, click on the first one, the out animation, erase by stroke. The second one, out animation, erase by stroke. Erase by stroke. And the third one, out animation, erase by stroke. Okay, let me check out the second one, erase by stroke. Yes. So once you've done that, the next thing you are going to do is to, okay, let's play this and see. Yes, the next thing you're going to do is to bring in the logo for your brand or the product you are trying to create an intro video for, or you can just write the name of the brand or the product. For this, I would just love to write a name. So just click on layer, click on text. Smartphone Max is the name of the brand I'm creating an intro video for. Smartphone Max. Okay, so increase the size. I want to change the font of this. I want to give it the Latin font. I think I love this. Yes. So make sure you change the color to green. Remember I told you want to achieve a very special effect. Change the color to green. Once you've done that, then let's play this again and see how it goes. Okay, let's give this an in animation, which is coverage, and an out animation, which is something like coverage as well. This. Yes. So this is the art animation we are going to give to this. Let's play this and see. Okay, let me increase this. Yes. So now let's bring in another background. Click on media. I want to bring in a white background, and then our logo will come in immediately after that. Yes. Once I bring in a white background, then I click on my layer, go to your media, and then you bring in the logo of the brand or any product you are trying to create an intro video for. Okay, so I have my logo over here, so just click on it. Let me increase the size a little. Then I'll also give it an in animation, which is pop. Okay, yes. And then let's give this a transition effect. So to give it a transition effect, click on the middle here. Just click on it. We have so many transition effects. We have hit and break transition effect. We have the travel transition effect. We have ABC text transition effect. We have sentimental transition effect. We have presentation transition effect. Under presentation transition effect, we have so many. So I just want to use this font transition effect, and I'm using many cycles. Okay, many cycles. So I'll have to increase the size of this, the length of this, I mean. Okay, then let me shift this. Let's play this and see how it goes. Yes. Okay. Then bring in I want to bring in an overlay to just make our intro video more beautiful. Just click on layer, then you click on overlay. For the overlay, I'm using a motion element here, which is this color green as well. Okay. I know the reason for doing that. Color green, so just increase the size like this. I think it's okay. Then let's play it and see what we have. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to cut this. I don't really need all this part. Shrink to right of playhead. Shrink to right of playhead. Shrink to right of playhead. Perfect. Let's play it from the beginning. Yes, this is perfect. So the next thing you're going to do is to export your video, save your video to your gallery. And to do that, just click on the button at the top here. Just click on it, and then you click on export. Once you've exported your video, just go back to the home screen. Go back to the home screen, and then you open a new project. 16:9. Open a new project. It takes me directly to my media to pick a background or anything I would love to use for my video. So here I want to bring in a very nice video. Okay, I would want that video to reflect on the intro video I created. So I'm going to bring in that video. This is the video over here. This is the video here. Okay, let me play it so you see. Okay, so now I want to bring in the intro video I just created. Click on layer, then you click on your media, and then let me click on this. Okay, I'll use this preferably. Then you click on this at the top here. Then you click on this rectangle shape, go back. Once you've done that, then you come to your Chrome key over here and then you enable it. Let's play this video and see. Can you see it's already reflecting on our video? Yes, this is our video. Let's play this again. Let's play this again and see. Yes, can you see the video reflected on our intro video, and it's looking very beautiful. If you have any nice video on your phone you can use, just use a very good and cool video. If the video have a sound and you don't want the sound, so you know this my video now, it came with a sound. This video came with a sound. You can actually extract the audio. You can extract the audio and then you delete it. Once you delete it, let's play this. See, it doesn't have a sound anymore. It doesn't have a sound anymore. So now you can use any music you would love to use. Just come to your audio here. You can use songs from the songs you have on your phone, and you can download from your KineMaster asset store. I don't want to download. Once you want to download from KineMaster asset store, just go to SFX asset and then you click on get sound effect. So let's just use any sound, let's just use a song here. Okay, let me say we use this. So see, why is this thing not showing? So let's play it from the beginning again. Okay, go back. Oh, it's not playing, but our video is very beautiful. You can see. So this is the effect I want to show you how to do. Yes, this is it. Okay, now what you have to do is just to cut out this part since we don't need it. Trim to right of playhead. So our video is now very perfect. All you need to do is just to click on your export button over here and then you export your video.